Life is full of vibrant moments, no matter our age. Let's embrace every opportunity to enjoy the great outdoors and stay active. Hey there! Have you noticed that as we get older, even the simplest activities, like walking or climbing stairs, can feel a bit more challenging? Maybe you're not as steady on your feet, or you just feel slower than you used to. Don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the great news. There are so many ways to stay active, healthy, and happy as you age, no matter where you're starting from. In today's video, I'll share 9 powerful yet simple ways to keep moving, boost your mood, and make the most out of every day. These aren't just quick fixes. They're sustainable habits that can truly transform your later years. So, if you're ready to feel your best, let's dive in. 9 ways to stay active and healthy as you age. Let's start with the foundation of good health: sleep. It's easy to overlook, but getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is a game changer. Create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, sip on herbal tea, and try meditation to relax your mind. Quality rest recharges your body and keeps you energized for all the adventures ahead. Yoga isn't just for the young, it's for the young at heart. This gentle yet powerful practice improves flexibility, strength, and balance while reducing stress. And don't worry if you're new to it. There are plenty of beginner-friendly classes online or in your community to help you get started. Have you ever seen people practicing slow, graceful movements in the park? That's Tai Chi, a martial art that combines gentle exercise, deep breathing, and mindfulness. It's fantastic for improving balance, coordination, and calming your mind. Strength training isn't just for bodybuilders. It's essential for maintaining muscle and bone health as you age. Even light weights can make a huge difference. Start slow and consult a trainer or healthcare professional to tailor a safe, effective routine for your needs. In today's fast-paced world, a little mindfulness can go a long way. Taking just a few minutes a day to meditate can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Over time, it's a small habit that yields big rewards.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Dancing is pure joy in motion. It's fun, energizing, and great for coordination and mood. Plus, you don't need a partner or fancy moves. Just turn up your favorite song and let loose. Swimming is one of the best low-impact exercises out there. It's gentle on your joints, but still works wonders for your cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility. If you have access to a pool, dive in. You won't regret it. Did you know that gardening can be a workout? Digging, planting, and weeding get your body moving while connecting you to nature. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to watch your hard work bloom, literally. Staying socially active is just as important as physical activity. Whether it's joining a club, volunteering, or simply spending time with friends and family, staying connected keeps your mind sharp and your heart full. Remember, it's never too late to start incorporating these activities into your life. The key is to find what you love and stick with it. Staying active and healthy is the secret to living a longer, happier, and more fulfilling life. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Share this with your friends and family. They might thank you for it. And don't forget to comment below. Which tip are you excited to try first? You're never too old to live your best life. Let's make it happen.